Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is who is coming next for you, your next relationship. This is going to be a very, very detailed reading. I will also be pulling some initials for you as you all requested. So, friends, make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, subscribe, like, and share, and join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends. And this is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not, but I am super excited to know who is coming for you next. What is your next relationship like? And we're gonna go into super detail into this reading. So subscribe, like, and share. And also, friends, if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of every month. One of our lucky subscribers will be selected by random name selector to win a free reading. So subscribe, like, and share. And let's begin. Let's take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number one, this beautiful peach flower. Option number two, this beautiful brown cream ivory flower. Option number three, this beautiful brown flower, orange flower. So relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3, friends. I will leave the timestamps in the comment section. So like always, you can skip to the timestamps and choose your option. You can also choose more than one. That's also fine. Let's see for those who chose option number 1. Let's see who is coming your way. Your next relationship. Let's get into it. So for those who chose option number 1, this beautiful peach pink flower, I love this flower. Let's see who is coming your way. These are your oracle messages. And everything is purple. I just noticed these cards, what I'm wearing, the nail paint, everything is purple. That seems to be the theme today. These are your extra oracle messages. Let's see what's coming your way. Wow. 10 of Swords. My God, I see that you have... pile number 1. You have been going through a terrible breakup, or maybe you ended a relationship. I feel there has been a terrible, terrible breakup. Some things are not going well in your relationship. There is all darkness here. Look at this. Like there has been a brutal breakup that you are still recovering from, or things... things have ended in this connection. You have been through hell, I feel. Look at that. I think someone backstabbed you. That's how I feel. Someone really let you down. You may have walked out of that relationship. Maybe that person left out, but I do feel it was terrible whatever happened. So, 7 of Cups. I do feel like currently you are a little confused about love, whether to accept it or not to accept it. I also feel that even though there has been a no contact and ending in this connection, I feel that there is someone who is missing you right now because of the 7 of Cups. And look at this person. I feel like someone is missing you. And there is still hope. This rainbow, look at that. This rainbow caught my eyes. There is still hope in this connection. I do feel like, or there is still hope in your love life. Don't be so hard or so tough on yourself. I do feel you have been through a brutal breakup, a massive ending. Someone backstabbed you, let you down. Someone didn't choose you, but I do feel there is hope in your love life. Strength, yes, a very strong connection is coming towards you. I do feel all these endings have made you very strong, very, very strong, very powerful. You may not realize it, pile number 1, but you are very strong now, emotionally, mentally, and physically, and you are ready for something new and something beautiful. I do feel, friends, this person from your past is thinking about you, and they are like a beast. Look at this. They are like a beast. This seems like the beast. But I do feel they see you as an angel, as someone who is really sweet, who is really someone who can understand them. So it is quite a strange love story, 10 of cups. Yeah, I do see someone, the person who is coming towards you will want family with you, or they will want some long term commitment with you, or they will have family in mind, or you want the same things also, this family commitment or long term stability in this relationship. I also feel the person who is coming next is from your same hometown or from the country you grew in, or there is some connection with the place they are born in because you feel connected to that place. Maybe your parents were born in that city or country, so you feel connected to them in that way. So, someone is coming which you feel has a strong connection with you and strong future with you. Ace of cups, wow, this is a new start. This is absolutely a positive relationship coming your way. I do feel, friends, someone from the past may be coming back. This person who hurted you, this person who is in no contact, and things have been ended or things have been stuck because there is this rainbow. So I do feel that this person, the past person, will try to come back towards you. Maybe they left you because they were in another relationship or because of family or because of work, but I do feel the connection is still very strong between you and them. In fact, it is growing even stronger day by day. So this person is gonna come back and offer you love, and I think you both understand each other very, very well. Let's see, the wheel of fortune in reverse. Yeah, I do feel you are ready for this love. You are ready for something which is beautiful and lifelong partnership. You are ready for it, but I think like timing is not right yet for you. It is like even in the past, the person who ended things with, or who betrayed you, even that person was a good person, or things, it was like the timing was off in that connection. Even right now the timing is not yet right for you. That is why your love life keeps confusing or keeps repeating into patterns. I do feel in the future timing will shift, and when the time is right, your love life is going to pick up and this stable connection is going to come back. And when the time is right, for some of you, like 10-20% of you, this is the person from the past returning back because things are not over yet. Things are not over yet. They have been confused, they have been blocked, they have not seen things properly. But now, when the timing is right, they will see things properly and return back and offer you this Ace of Cups of Love, Hangman. Yes, it isn't over yet. It is not over yet, friends. This person is coming back. Maybe it is the person you are currently with, or maybe someone you dated, or just had a fling with, or something, and they are coming back. They will come back when the time is right. And also I do feel that your love life is like, some in the future also, some months you will be like there is nothing happening, but then everything happens all of a sudden. So that is how things will be in the future. And I also see the person who is coming is patient and is kind, and they are very loving, they are family oriented, they have good values, they are very humble, and also they take their time. This person is not impatient, they don't break their promises, they have all the patience, and they will understand you. They will understand you, and they are very mature. So get ready for that. High priestess, yeah, I do feel the connections which are coming, the new relationship, and this person and you will share a deep telepathic connection. There is a strong telepathy, there is a strong intuition between you and them. You both have a strong, I do feel this is a very past life connection, friends. You both are fated with each other, for each other, and you both know each other from many past lives. So there will be that instant recognition, or there will be some karma to resolve in this connection. This is someone who is close to you, who you look at that cross. This is someone who will be going to marry you in the future, or this is someone you were once married with. You once planned marriage with this person. It may or may not have worked out, or even before the marriage happened, things just collapsed between you and them. That person is coming back, It could be your twin flame also coming back. So, yeah, get ready, friends, that person. But I feel this time they are a different person. You should not lose hope or patience with them. They are a new person. Something is shifting and clicking in this person, and in this connection. The timing was way off in the past. The timing was definitely way off. But in the future, things will be on the right track. The star, yeah, you are star-crossed lovers. You are this person's hope, and I also feel the person, the next relationship, that person is someone is like a gift to you. That person is like they will restore your hope in love, in friendship, in families. I think somewhere you are like you have become very strong, pile number one, our viewers. So you are like, should I do I even need love, because you have been single from a long time, or you have handled all these storms of relationships alone. So you are like, do I even need love? What will I do with it? So I think yes, this is a gift from the heavens for you. So this is something to make your life easier, to make your life happier. Partnerships are a gift from God, and this, at least this one is. And maybe this is someone you already knew in the past, but the timing was off, so they are coming back now. Knight of Pentacles. I do feel this person could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So yeah, they could be of those sun signs, or it could be your sun signs also: Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I also feel that this relationship will grow slowly. It will start slowly, but once this mutual affection is opened, once this mutual affection is shared, then things will work very quickly in this connection. So initially, even after meeting this person, like 3-4 months or 2-3 months, things are very stale, things are very dull and slow, but then things will pick up, 3-4 months of knowing this person. So be patient, don't just jump the gun. Number 80. Wow, this is beautiful. Number 33, actually, the number is here. I don't know what's written on those key. Wow, so this person holds a key for you and you hold a key for them. This is very interesting. This is an important relationship, friends. So your next relationship holds some keys, some solutions which you are looking for, and you also have something, to teach them, or something that they are looking for. You are both, High Priestess is like you are both looking for something, and the solutions. You are the answered prayer for each other. And this could end up into marriage. There is a very high potential this person and you will end up into marriage, or you will actually discuss marriage, or you were once married to them, or you were trying to get married to them. So very important connection. And I do feel you have known this person in the past, in past lives also. So this is a relationship that will make you feel happy and strong, but it will take some time to get on its feet. It will take some time, friends. If you are in a quick, it won't be quick, friends. The Hangman, you will have to let loose of the timing, like, I don't control this situation, let it go, let it flow. Then only you will understand the key, the solutions. This is a very interesting relationship. Mountain, number 21. That might be important for some of you. Number 21, number 33. That could also be age for some of you. Number 21 and 33. Yeah, I do feel, there is a mountain to climb in this relationship of yours, new relationship. There will be some obstacles, like you need some patience, there will be some doubts, some confusion, there will be also strong telepathy. So you will have to, these are gifts, but it will take some time for you and this person to get back on track, get this relationship zooming, zoom. So yeah, there you have to have some patience with this connection. Let's see your oracle cards. Emotional withdrawal, number 8, 8 of cups. Yeah, I do feel, friends, maybe when you meet this person, this new lover, maybe you are not ready for a relationship or a deeper commitment, or this person is a little scared of emotional intimacy. I also feel there is a lot of age gap, or some age gap between you and this person, and some difference of cities and cultures, long distance, long different cultures. So it might cause them a bit of a worry, or both of you some worries. So be patient, give yourself some time, and give this person some time. Awareness, wow, number one. Definitely, this relationship will cause a jump in your awareness, friends, and I think our viewers also need some jump in their awareness. No, no judgments. I just mean it like, I think it's a good thing that's happening. So, this relationship is a very spiritual connection. It is going to, if this person you already know, there is going to be a positive shift in them. A new start, number one, awareness. See? So, something is going to start new in this connection if you already know this person. I feel most of you know them, but for some of you it is a new person, like 10-20% it is a new person. The solar plexus, number 3, wow. So definitely, this relationship will boost your ego. This relationship will also complement your looks and your talents, and you both will be good for your ego, your, not ego, but it will boost your confidence. On good days, this relationship boosts your confidence. It makes you feel happy, it makes you feel stronger. You both like to jog, go out, and be in the sun. But on the bad days, this relationship will make you feel scared. It may also trigger some self worth issues, some ego issues, power struggles. So you have to work on that. All relationships need some work or learning. Relationships are like driving a car. You have to understand how it works. Otherwise, it's like a machine, it's like a machinery. We need emotional intelligence, and also awareness, as it says. We need a lot of things to make a relationship work. So I do see this person will heal, and this connection is healing for you and the other person. Let's see some advice for you. Forgiveness, yeah. I do feel, friends, you need to forgive this person, or maybe, like you need to forgive yourself. You're beating yourself down about the past relationship, so you need to forgive yourself a little bit. Uh, Maybe this person is from the past, so you need to forgive them. Let us see what else. Okay, not for you, number 6. Yeah, I do feel, you maybe this person has rejection issues, like they were rejected many times, or they feel like they can't have you. You feel out of reach, or this person, you feel like, oh, they are so popular, how can I have them, so solar plexus issues. I do feel this person may be having some, maybe if they are younger than you they may need some boost from your side. Clarify, not for you. I feel this person has rejection issues, building blocks. Yeah, I do feel maybe you both have rejected each other in the past, or this person has some rejection issues, or maybe you also have it. We also don't know what our patterns are. So this person and you together are going to build a beautiful future, but it is going to take some time. It is going to be slow and a study process. Let's see some love message, and then we're gonna look at your initials. So, yeah, interesting relationship, a very high vibrational connection, a very spiritual connection, if you ask me. High priestess, strength, awareness. It could be your twin flame. Option number 1, who is their next relationship? Any? Oh my god. These cards are flying a lot these days because the energies are very high. Let's take all these, because there is so much in your cards that I do feel all these cards have a message. In fact, all 8 had, but let's take the 4. True love, yeah, this is the romance of a lifetime. So definitely this person and you are true love of each other. Express your love, go ahead and make the romantic gesture. I do feel this person will need some encouragement or motivation to express their love, playfulness. Yeah, make I feel you might get a little serious in this connection, or maybe you are a bit serious and they are a little childlike. So be, to recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine, and be like kids. Stay, enjoy life and engagement. Wow, your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment, and look, ascension, awareness, all clubbed together. Whew, my god, what a reading. So, pile number 1, I'm excited. You might actually end up marrying this person, engagement, or you were once engaged with this person. Yoo-hoo! Let's see your charms now. Option number 1. Who is the person coming for them? Oh wow, I can see the letter Om, which is also the word of spirituality. You know, Om, the sacred word. So, very high vibrational, you know, very, very high vibrational. What are you people doing? I don't know. This is like, wow, this person could be a doctor, or you could be a doctor, healer, you know, together, both of you are healers, doctors, spiritual person. What else? Oh, bar. Yeah, you may meet this person at a bar or in a restaurant, or maybe you know they are a lawyer or something, something like that, or they own a restaurant, or they are fond of eating, you know, food, restaurants. You both are. Art is also there. Wow. Oh my God. Sorry, friends. So yeah, this person could be an artist, or you both are artists together. So yeah, very nice. That's very interesting, very high vibrational, all these things. Om, maybe it's their name. There is also Tom, so maybe their name is Tom. And Romy, maybe their name is Romy, Romi. Bart, maybe their name is Bart. Or what else can we make? I think that's the word I can make right now. And there is also a blank. If your person's name is not here, you can use the blank for them. If your person's name is not here, it is for that. And I think this is a very balanced relationship, or it will get balanced because you and I both are here. You and them both are here. So the letters or initials which might be important for or in your person's name are T, O, M, D, R, B, A, R, A, R, T, O, U, I, R, and a blank. And that's it for now. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Vans Tarot, and join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, if you chose option number 2, this beautiful ivory flower, let's see what your next relationship is, with whom, who are they. We'll also be pulling the initials for your next relationship. It is a detailed reading, so let's see. These are your oracle messages. This is your advice. These are your extra oracle messages. And let's see pile number 2. Who is your next relationship? Alright, let's see. 5 of Cups. Wow. You're not feeling very ready about love, friends. I do see you might be. Are you recovering from a heartache or some, you know, relationship loss? I do feel that you have recently gone through a relationship breakup, or you are recovering from that breakup. I also feel you are missing someone from the past, or you want, you know, you expected a relationship to work out, but it didn't worked out, you know, like you wanted a relationship to turn into marriage or more than date or friendship, but it didn't. So you are like, oh my God, I feel left out. I also feel pile number 2, you are currently feeling like love is not for you. Love is just not my cup of tea. So I think some of you have said this to your friends also, that love is not your cup of tea. It's not going to work for you. So you are a bit disappointed with love when you start. Let's see what else. I do feel Knight of Swords. Yeah, I do feel that you are a little bit defensive about love. You are a little bit not focused on love right now and relationships. I'm even surprised you are here in this reading, because maybe you are questioning, like you're just curious rather than, you know, anything else. I feel you are curious, you want to know, because curiosity, like you may be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or any sun sign. You might be curious, that's why you are here, but your focus is mostly on work, on career, and your focus is like, nah, love is not for me, it always causes me pain. So you are a bit defensive about love and relationships right now, or whenever you are watching this reading. I do feel that the world, I do feel someone is coming towards you who is from some another city or country, and this person is very different than all the people you have met in the past. I do see this person and you are going to meet through online, or through some online work, or maybe social media, or maybe if you are studying online right now, that is where you are going to meet this person. This is from some another city, another country, another area than yours. So yes, I do feel that this person talks less, or you are both talking less in initially this relationship. You both are like they are waiting and watching, and you are also waiting and watching. I do feel the person who is coming into your life, they talk a lot, but initially they may take some time to warm up. Or you might also be like, yeah, I'm focused on my money, I'm focused on my work. So you're like, yeah, yeah. You're talking, but you are not very interested. You don't expect a lot there. So you are keeping, you're just enjoying talking and like focusing on your work, on your career. I do feel pile number two, some of you are planning to relocate, or you are shifting, or this person you are attracting, they are shifting or relocating. Something is going on about relocation. I can actually see their bags also. They have this blue bag and bluish bag, and dark bluish, and something is written on it. I don't know what is, some S words are written on it. Seven of Rods. Yeah, I do feel love is coming your way, friends, but you are little defensive about it. You are not letting it in. You are like, people want to talk to you, but pile number two, you are like, nah, I'm not into it. So you may just not be, into love right now, or when you watch this reading, because even though there is a person who wants to talk to you, this new person who may be quite different than what you expect, but you are like, I don't know. You are like, I don't know if I should talk to them or not. The Eight of Pentacles, yeah, I do feel the person who is coming for you, they will have to work harder to get your attention and get your, love and affection, because you are very focused on your love, on your career, and on your education, pile number two, which is a good thing, I think, which is great. Actually, you are working on maybe changing your life, improving your life. You had been through a lot of issues in the past, so now you are doing what you need to do, and that is why this person is coming. They will be from your work, from your education. They might also be a work colleague or someone you find online, and they will see how hardworking you are, and they will appreciate that fact that you work hard, that you are very focused. And they are also similar, this new person who is coming for you, and I know you will say a lot of no to this person, but they won't accept it. The Moon, yeah, I do feel this person will try to enter or contact you through moon, through dreams, through signs. I also feel like even before this person comes into your life, you will see some vivid dreams or messages, because this person is an important connection to you. So you will see some messages or dreams, and also even when they are in your life, there will be they will talk to you in long nights. They are very poetic, they are very romantic, so there will be long night talks if you let them talk and pick up their calls, because I see you might be like, nah, I'm too busy, I'm too tired, I had a long day, I want to sleep. So this person is like, hey, I want to talk to you, so talk to them. I do see they are very romantic and very charming, very very charming. Eight of rods, yeah, I do feel this person will eventually get your attention and your affection, and then the conversations will be amazing. There will be a lot of talks, a lot of things to discuss. I do feel you will talk or share something about your past connections to this person. The Five of Swords, yeah, you do have trust issues. I do feel you will talk about that how you are, why you behave in this way, or why you are a bit sad or not ready for love. You will tell this person because they feel like a safe place to say these things. And the Seven of Pentacles, yeah, I do feel like this person will be disappointed when they see that you are not really, you're not waiting for them, or you don't love them as much as they love you. So they might be a little bit disappointed to know that why someone didn't value you in the past. I value you, I love you. I also feel that you are very focused on your work and career, pile number two. So they might have to wait a little, this person, or you might make them like, wait, I have work to do. I'll talk to you later when I have my money focused, and when I have my money and roots settled, then I'll talk to you. I also feel the person who is coming, this new person, they are quite busy in their life. So even they, and your time schedules or time zones might be in different different cities and countries, so you might have to make some time to balance that different time zones. I do feel this person will miss you when you are not around or not giving them time or ignoring them for work. Ace of Pentacles. I do feel this person means good to you, and they want a powerful or strong friendship or relationship with you. They want to commit to you. Their intentions are honest with you, even though they are very romantic, very cheesy, and you will be like, oh my god, what is wrong with this person? Why are they all over me? But their intentions are good, and they mean well. They want some commitment with you. And Four of Wands, definitely this person means business. They feel they want love, they want affection, they want a family. They may also have an idea of moving in with you, or maybe someone, you might meet this person when you have a wedding in the family, or maybe through your cousins or through your married, someone, your brother's girlfriend, your sister's girlfriend. From there you are going to meet this person also. Three of Pentacles. I think this person will overall adjust to whatever you tell them, friends, because they like you and they love you and they see solid commitment and future possibilities with you. I also feel like this person will try to meet you in the coming times. I don't know if you will be possible for them, but they will plan and talk about it like, hey, let's meet. And they will understand your need for time, for working, for focusing on your career. They will understand it, and I also feel they will be quite proud of the hard work you are doing. So get ready, friends. Seems like a beautiful person and beautiful connection. Fish, wow, number 14. So yeah, I feel this person will be this is a very emotional connection. You also have Moon, so it is a very dreamy, very emotional connection. Number 34 is here, so that might be important. Number 3 and number 4 might also be important. March and April, I feel. So this is a very emotional, a very sweet connection, and this person won't even tell you how, if they get hurt by you, they won't tell you. They are sweet in a way. They might be emotional, but they don't say everything, like, hey, you ignored me, I miss you. They won't say that. They will be like, hey, I miss you. And look at that, Fox, number 11. I think you will have some time to trust. You will take some time to trust this person because you have kissed some frogs. Like, you have been through a lot of letdowns. So you will take some time. You will be like, will they change their color? Are they a sheep hiding in a fox? So you will take their time. You will take your time. You are not in a hurry. And wow, how interesting. I said number 14. This was not 14, this is 34, but this is number 14. Very interesting. Let's see what else. Positive movement forward. Number 8, 8 of Wands. Yeah, there will be a lot of connections in this, lot of talks, lot of positivity, lot of momentum. Maybe you will plan to meet each other, or you might meet each other when you are traveling or something. Emotional loss, 5 of Cups. Yeah, you both are a little protective of your own heart. Even that person is, and you are also definitely pile number 2. So you might be like, hey, you will take your time to open up and trust them. 6 of Cups, memories of love. Yeah, this person is a soulmate of yours, but you might be missing someone else from your past. Like, hey, things didn't work out with them. I really miss them from your past. But this is a new connection, I feel. A new person coming into your life. Let's see some clarifications for memories of love. Clarify. Coming to the edge, number 36. Yeah, I do feel like you did everything for a person, for a relationship, but it still didn't work out. So you are a little disappointed, and you will tell this person like, hey, I did so much, but things didn't work out there. So maybe it will not work out here. Go the distance, number 47. So, you expected that relationship to last for lifetime, but it didn't happen. So you are a little sad. And but this relationship is different. This person is different. So things will work out. Nothing to worry about. Co-create. Yeah, this person will definitely understand where you are coming from, who you are, what you need, and you both will understand each other. This will be perfect. A peaceful connection. Yay! Number 23 is important here. So, this is a peaceful connection and it will bring peace and joy for both of you. Let us see some advice for you. Embracing. Wow, this is beautiful. I think you should accept your past friends and not let it stop you from moving on or focusing. Somewhere I feel pile number two, you are not letting love in. You are like, no, I need to focus on my work because I am not interested in love. So embrace your past, embrace your, you know, the past letdowns, embrace it. You can't change them. Everything happens for a reason. Oops. Yeah, see, everything happens for a reason. So maybe something was like this, like a bump in your love life, but I think the best things are coming ahead for you. Let's see some romance angels messages. Let your friends help you, ask for and accept support from others. Wow, this is beautiful. I do see you will meet this person through common friends, or you may have some common friends with this person, or colleagues, you work, or family, getting to know each other. Wow, this is beautiful. This is a new person, and as you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. Take time to know them. They are a different person than you expect, or that you have, that the one who let you down. This person is different. Let's see your charms. Option number 2. Who is coming for them? Let's see. These are shy charms. They always come face down, Just these few ones, they are not shy. They are like, yay, we want to show our faces. Okay, let me just turn them upside down, side up, upside down, I don't know. So let's see. Win. Wow, I see directly the first word that catches my eye is win. This person will win you over. No matter how many no's you have, they are going to win you, friends. So get ready. Interesting. And what else? Rita? No, there is no A. I see bed. Ooh. Ooh, my God. I do see like this person or this relationship will be comfortable. It will be a peaceful connection for you and this person. Also, a lot of sexual chemistry. I think you will lie down in the bed and talk on the phone or online, a lot with this person. Or maybe they are from hospitality, doctor, healer, or, all those resorts, all those places. They work there. I don't know. What else? I can't see any names actually. Tori, maybe the name. I can't see any name actually here. Todd may be a name, or I can't see any names here, which is quite strange. Wow, I see breed. Maybe you will meet them through some dogs or some puppies. You have that connection. Or maybe this person is a gentleman, a thoroughbreed, a gentlewoman, someone who is brought up from a good family, or they come as a marriage proposal, or someone with good intentions towards you. So, wow, this is very interesting. Oh, wow. You also have Win and TOT and caught. Maybe this person is someone you study with. This makes me feel like sine theta, cos thetas. This is someone you study with or work with, someone your teacher is. So these are the words I can feel. So I can, only I can make right now. Maybe you can see more words. Let me know in the comments. So your words are WINBRETOTED, COTED, and there is also L here. There is also U. There is J also here, friends, for you, and there is also L, and there is E, and there is T. I think bread can be a name, bread, Brad, like Brad Pitt, So LTOEJUL are also there. So that's it for now. Subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday Tarot. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye. Friends, if you choose option number 3, let us see who is your next person, your next relationship. This is a detailed reading, friends. We are going to look into your charms and a very, very detailed reading. So get ready. And these are your oracle messages. These are your advice. This is extra cards. Let us see who is coming your way, your next relationship. So pile number 3. I'm excited. Wow, the Queen of Rods. Oh my God, you are feeling very powerful, or I feel you are going to feel very powerful and very strong very soon, and you are attracting a lot of attention right now. So a lot of eyes are on you, a lot of people are watching you, friends. So congratulations for that. I also feel like there is this you know there's this very powerful connection coming your way. You could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or the person who is coming towards you is an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Let us see what else. Oh my God, the death, the transformation. Yeah, I do see that maybe you have recently ended a connection, or ended a marriage, or a big relationship, or you have ended like a toxic connection, or some part of your life, like you are changing your job, or you are ready for business, you are ready for your first job, you're moving out of colleges. So some major change is happening in your life, and that is exactly when this new person will be coming into your life. I also feel maybe the person who is coming into your life, they are also going through some transformations. Let us see what else. Wow, the Lovers. This is like two major arcanas. This is a powerful connection coming your way. And I do see you will have some choice in your next relationship. Like there might be more than one person coming your way. But the relationship that you will choose is something which is destined for you, which is quite a strong connection for you. It is heaven sent. Look at the angel here. So someone is coming towards you, which is quite an angelic connection. It is destined for you. And wow, it's a there is a strong attraction between you and this person, a strong intimacy and harmony, and you will also have some choices. Let's see. The Three of Rods. Yeah, you this connection will expand your life, and also you will meet them when you are expanding your life, or they are expanding their life. So this new relationship, it is going to heal your heart from this ending of the past. Maybe you were once married, it didn't work out, so that thing is over now, you are healing, and this person is going to heal you further, and this connection will support you. You will both support each other, and this connection will expand your life, the way you think and the way you are. It's a very beautiful connection. The Chariot, it will be a fast moving relationship. There will be a lot of passion, a lot of talks, a lot of discussions, and you might travel together, or you might have a lot of conversations. You might make a lot of plans, like you like to talk about this. You have similar likes and dislikes. The King of Rods. Wow, the match made in heaven. Look at that. The Queen and the Queen. The Queen and the King of Rods both are here. This is your ultimate match, friends. This is absolutely a divine connection heading your way. You both could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or this person is quite sexy, quite charming, attractive. They have their, lot of planets in Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. They have a lot of fire, and together, you and this person, the chemistry is fire on fire. So, wow, this is perfect. I also feel this person could be your twin flame, or if you don't know your twin flame, the new relationship is coming towards you is your twin flame. Justice. Wow, yes, this is a very destined connection for some of you, friends. This, you are going to meet them at a time of change, at a time of destiny, at a time when big shifts are coming your way or in their way. Maybe you will meet them when this person is going through a divorce, or they are changing something, like they are leaving a country, or they have moved out of a relationship, or they have left their job, very successful career behind, That is when you meet this person. I feel it is a stroke of luck, it is a stroke of destiny that will bring you both together, and you both are perfect for each other, and you both will help each other out. Four of Swords. Yeah, I do feel like. Right now nothing much is happening in your love life, so you will be like, oh my god, where is this person gonna come? I do feel like even after meeting this person there may be some stagnancy, or maybe some slow look, like 4 or 5 months nothing will happen, but then suddenly things will start moving in this connection. So divine timing is at work. And also I feel like there, some sort of a, I don't know. It feels like something else might be there when you meet this person. Like maybe they are living with their family, so they can't be with you, but that situation heals and then they are with you, or they are married, or you are in another relationship, and that is why you can't meet. So there might be a little weight involved with this person before your connection starts to develop and grow, but you will feel this intimacy, you will feel this strong pull, magnetic pull towards you and them. And look at that, 5 of Pentacles. Yeah, you both have been in the past life. This is a strong past life connection for you. You have been through together in many past lives, and I do feel you will be meeting again to resolve some old karma or some old, because justice is also here. Or you may have some, this person or you may have other, before you can get married or be in a relationship with this person, there might be some other things to finish off before, like they have money issues, you have expansion, you want to shift, you want to travel, or you are already in some other relationship, so something else needs to be fixed before this connection it will start. But before it can take off to another level, things will need to be balanced out. Page of Rods. Yeah, I do feel maybe you had kids with this person, or maybe they have kids, or you have some kids, or maybe you have like younger siblings, or your parents are there, so you have to take care of them. So something needs to shift or change before you and this person can be in this amazing relationship. I also feel that this person is coming very quickly into your life. They are coming very, very quickly. And the 9 of Swords in reversed. Yeah, I do feel like maybe they might be going through some health issues in after meeting you. So that might cause some weight for you and them. I also feel that even if you meet this person for once, you will never forget them. Neither will they forget you, because this is like, you are the match made in heaven. They can never find someone else better than you, neither can you. So this is like perfect. You are like this lovers, strong intimacy, strong contact. The minute your eyes will contact this person, you will not be able to forget them forever, for lifetimes. Neither will they. The Fool. Yeah, this will be a new start for you. This relationship will change your life. It will bring you out of depression, it will bring you out of sadness, it will also bring your person out of some issues and some financial worries, and it will be a new start for you and this person. It will bring hope into your life. This connection, it is a very nice connection, and I see you should stay positive because this relationship is important for you, and it is an important connection. Stay positive, don't lose hope. Let's see what else. Snake, number 7. Yeah, this is a very transformational connection. Things will shift once you meet this person. Your life will start to shift, and so will your person's life. Heart. Wow, number 24. So this is interesting. Number 7 and 24 are important, and yeah, they love you. Look at that, the heart. This person loves you and you love them, and there is no one can deny that. And this is a match made in heaven. You look at that. Maybe this is your twin flame. So let's see what else. Partnerships and alliances. Look at that. Yeah, this person will work things out with you. No matter, there will be some things to adjust once you meet this person, but they will work out. This person won't let you go. Foundations and achievements. 4 of Wands. Marriage. Yeah, this person is committed to marry you, or they were once married to you, or they will. Marriage is definitely an important part of this connection. You both will get married, or there will be talks about marriage. So it's beautiful. And Ace of Cups, love begins. So this is beautiful. This is the love of a lifetime, friends. It is coming for you, and it is, yes, there is still hope for you if you have been broken, if you have been like, you have gone through a bad marriage. Love is coming. The truest of love is coming for you. Don't lose hope. Let's see some advice for you. Relaxation. Wow, friends, it is time for you to relax and enjoy life. Don't be too stressed about how you will find this person, when you will find out, will it work out or not. Enjoy your life. You deserve this break that is right now because you are going to be very busy in this new connection. So enjoy the time you have. And look, love is coming your way. Focus on love, friends. Focus on love. Focus on what you like to do or what makes you happy. So let's see some any advice, any other advice for our viewers. Pile number 3. Okay, thank you. A leg up. Wow, that card just flew down. Wow, unfinished symphony number 10. That's interesting. I do feel, friends, this connection, you may have known this person as your childhood sweetheart or someone you dated in high school or something, or maybe they were your twin flame but they got married to someone else. So there is a chance of knowing this person. Also, I feel like, there will be some things to settle before this connection will start. So it is unfinished symphony. Poised. I will not be reading reversals in this oracle. I usually don't. Number 48, poised. Yeah, I do feel you are very ready for this connection. You don't have to do anything else except enjoy your life right now. Fork in the road. Yeah, you will meet this person when they are at a crossroad or you are changing or shifting your life or location. Let's see. The leg up card that flew down, I will not be picking that up, but the leg up is, I think, you are ready for this new connection. You are ready for this beautiful partnership to come your way. Love advice for option number 3. Separation. Yeah, there, you are separate right now from this person or from someone you loved really a lot. So something has broken your heart, but I do feel that a new soulmate is coming your way. Yes, this is your soulmate. They will heal your heart, and yes, you are going to have your honeymoon, enjoying the bliss of a holiday time together. Anything else for pile number 3? Flirt. Yeah, enjoy life. Extend your light-hearted energy. Don't be too serious about life. Things happen. Especially, this is 2020. Things happen. You know that. Option number 3, who is coming for them? Let's see, friends. And friends, if you like our English readings, I would accept some, I would really be happy if you give us some support, because don't crib otherwise when I do other language readings, because if you don't give me support, I really can't do it, anything. It's up to you, basically. It's not up to me. The demand decides the supply. That's the whole thing, So, yeah. And it's actually more work for me. So, it's not like easy. So, you have to tell me, You have to support us. That only can work. So, Zida. Maybe their name is Zida. See? Zidane. Maybe this person is a footballer or an athlete, someone, in athlete or gyms or all those things. What else can I see? Maybe this person is a rider. They like to ride, maybe bikes or cars, or maybe they are into horse riding or something, or maybe they are into army, navies, armed forces. There is also car here. So yeah, you may meet this person while you are traveling, or you may notice they have a significant car or a bike, or there is something about that. They are fond, like they may be an engineer, automobile engineer or something like that. What else? Car, sad. Yeah, rider sat car. So maybe you know this is the person you once who gives you or lift or something one day, or who is traveling with you as a beside your seat. So that can also be there. There are two blanks. If your person's name is not here, it could be this blank that you can use. And there is also QI and there is also ZIR. So there is also RIDER and there is also SATCAR, QIZIR, UW blank, and there is also P. So that's it for now. Subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday. This is Mystic C saying bye for now.